Liam.
Uy, tingnan mo siya, oh. This is the Gordon Ramsay signature beef Wellington.
Hello.
Hello. And this is their fish and chips with thick cut fries. It has lemon. Like, I heard Golden Golly, he's a food YouTuber, and then I heard him with a review like it needs masala. Oh my gosh, like, or yes, I wish Gordon was really here. That is the sticky toffee pudding, I think. Yeah, that's the fish and chips.
Followed by chicken, salmon, two burger, pie, Wellington, strip over risotto, fish and chips.
Hey.
Alright. This is the beef Wellington with the fish and chips. That beef
Hi, what's
Wellington
your name?
is Liam.
Liam, do you want to come in?
Yeah. Thank you. I went into the garden.
How you doing? Come here.
Yes.
Look at this.
Look.
So we got the mashy for the Wellington.
Alright.
There's our hot box. Keep all the mash warm there. That's the guy making all the sauces. That's where all the beef, the steaks come from.
Oh, yeah.
And the fish and chips come this side. The fish and chips comes from there. See, she's dropping the chips now.
Oh, right. It's like
This is
one
Chef
of-
Bayer.
Oh.
And that's all our pastry team there. That's where they make all the pastries. See, look. They're plating up the pastry now.
Oh, yeah. This is like, yes, this is once in a lifetime.
Have you had lunch?
Yes, already.
What did you have?
Just fried chicken.
Sorry?
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken? Oh, wow.
Oh. And then, I ordered the beef Wellington, the bar and grill burger, and the fish and chips.
Oh, very nice. Do you guys want to come in for a photo?
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, this is the kitchen. With the guy. I went inside the kitchen. I'm inside the kitchen. Yes. We're inside Gordon Ramsay's kitchen. Yes, this is
Sabay dyan naman.
This is not just a Gordon Ramsay experience. This is the ultimate one.
Australia. Oh, very cool. Anyone else coming in for a photo?
Ah, so wala.
Video. Ano, picture video. Sige, kayo muna.
Awesome. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Hope everything was good.
Thank you.
Of course, that's good.
Thank you, Chef.
Hello. Excuse me again. What's your name?
I'm Joey.
Oh,
Good to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chef.
Which one?
Thank you.
But it's
They're preparing na.
alright.